Oppo K12x 5G launched in India with 5100 mAh battery at affordable price. Oppo has released its new budget-friendly smartphone, Oppo K12x 5G in India today. The handset is said to be the first in its segment to come with a military-grade MIL-STD-810H certification, which indicates that it has a 36-degree damage-proof armor body. The handset boasts splash touch technology that supports using the phone with wet hands. The Oppo K12x 5G is available in India at the budget-friendly price of 12,999 Indian rupees for the 6GB RAM with 128GB storage option, while the 8GB RAM with a 256GB storage option is available at 15,999 Indian rupees. The phone will be available to purchase from August 2nd through Flipkart and the Oppo India e-store. In addition, Oppo is claimed to offer buyers an instant 1,000 Indian rupee discount on transactions through select banks and no-cost EMI option for up to 3 months. These offers will be valid only on August 2nd. The Oppo K12x 5G is offered in 2 color options: Breeze Blue and Midnight Violet. The Oppo K12x 5G, one of the budget-friendly smartphones, features a 6.6-inch HD plus 1604x720 pixels LCD screen with 120 Hz refresh rate, up to 1000 nits peak brightness level. Moreover, it entails dual reinforced Panda Glass protection and other compelling features like Splash Touch technology. It supports Splash Touch technology, which allows users to operate the phone even with wet hands, chipset, and storage. The Oppo K12x 5G is powered by a 6nm MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset paired with up to 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 256GB of US 2.2 onboard storage. Camera. For optics, the Oppo K12x 5G is featured with a dual rear camera unit, having a 32MP primary sensor and a 2MP sensor. The front camera has an 8MP sensor, battery, and sensor. The Oppo K12x 5G boasted a 5100 mAh battery with support for 45-watt Super VOOC charging. For security, the Oppo K12x 5G carries a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The handset measures 76.14 by 165.79 by 7.68 mm and weighs 186 grams. Additional features include 5G, dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, GLONASS, and USB Type-C connectivity, along with a 3.5mm audio jack. Moreover, its version runs on Android 14-based ColorOS 14, and Oppo K12x 5G comes with an MIL-STD-810H certification and an IP54 rating, built for dust and splash resistance.